So right now I'm going to show you how we could change the BM voicemail greeting for a phone number in ringcentral. Just go to ringcentral.com, we log in, we click on users, and then we choose which one we would like to change the BM for. In this case, we want to change the BM for 801-447-2220, which is our phone number for Utah. And then we go down at the very bottom, messages and notifications. And then we click right here and add it. Alright, so if you want to listen to a sample, we click this one, the play button, or this one, the record button. Okay. Or, yeah, well, let's go ahead and click on the red button right here. So we have three options. We can import a recording in .wav or .mp3 file, or using a computer microphone, or using a phone. So it says RingCentral will call you to record your custom greeting over the phone. So they'll try to call us at like in this phone number that we choose. So if we click call now, RingCentral will call us to record our voicemail. Okay, and if you have questions, please let me know. I actually haven't tried it before. I haven't tried it before yet, but it should do it. Okay, but if I could help with anything else, please let me know. Thank you.